I'm Rudalavage from Synergy Electrical Sales. Today we're going to talk about a new concept in lighting controls, which is an individual fixture control module. It's been around for a little bit of time, but it's gaining popularity. Today I'm going to cover 3 reasons why you may want to use that on a project. What is an individual fixture control module? It's a device like this one that turns the fixture on and off and dims it right at the fixture. Electrician brings unswitched line voltage to the fixture and it's turned on and off right there at the fixture. Sometimes the fixture will have an integral motion sensor and daylight sensor connected to it. So I have this fixture here where we have, again, this unit will be mounted to the side of it, and then I have a motion sensor connected right to it. On and off at the fixture, dimmed at the fixture. This will get installed on the ceiling grid or through the ceiling tile next to it as well. The other option is to have that same equipment that we showed essentially built into the fixture, and then we would have our motion sensor and daylight sensor right here on the front of it and have the equipment inside the fixture. All right, so what are 3 reasons that you may want to use this on a project? And this comes from certainly my experience on projects. The first one I would say is out-of-the-box functionality. As soon as the fixture gets powered up, we have occupancy sensing and daylight harvesting working immediately. You walk under the fixture, it's going to go on, you're going to get the proper daylight harvesting. When the sensor times out, the light goes off. So that's really nice. There's nothing that needs to happen beyond that. That's one reason. The second reason you may want to use this on a project is it makes design and planning simple for the space. Our daylight sensor and motion sensor covers the area right under the fixture. So you'll always have perfect sensor coverage, perfect daylight harvesting. That would be another reason to do it. And then a third reason you may want to use that individual fixture control module on a project is to be able to make adjustments later. So what I've been showing you here is part of the Lutron Vive system. They have this device, which is called a hub, which allows us to connect to those individual fixture modules and make some adjustments. The type of adjustments we could make would be occupancy sensor timeout. Since we have our sensor right here connected to that smart integral fixture module, we can actually adjust the timeout of the sensor right from the software, which is pretty neat. Second reason would be for daylight harvesting. We can adjust the response of this daylight sensor in the software. Again, a nice way to get that perfect daylight harvesting. A third reason would be it gives us the option to choose what fixtures may stay on later as night lights to make it comfortable for the person in the space. So because they're controlled individually, we can choose which ones stay on. We can also choose if they stay on at a lower light level. So a really nice feature. The fourth would be we can adjust the light level at an individual basis for the person that works under it. If it's a little too bright based on the factory settings, we can reduce that in the software. And then the last reason that you may want to use this and the adjustment that you could make would be if the office changes and we need to readjust and rezone things based on the new office configuration. So 3 reasons to use it. To add that to a fixture can cost between $50 and $100 depending on the fixture that you choose and the exact setup that you choose. As always, thanks for watching.